Okay, let it officially be known that I am the water balloon champ. I take it very seriously. No one is safe, but nothing ends a day of fun in the sun like homemade ice cream. So today on Divas Can Cook, y'all, we are making this super easy, no eggs required classic vanilla ice cream, the perfect base for so many flavors. Let's go. Okay, so for my liquids, I am using some whole milk, 100% full fat whole milk. Dump that right into your saucepan. And then I'm going to use a little bit of heavy whipping cream. This gets that ice cream to be so creamy and thick and luscious, just the way I like it. Pour that into your saucepan. I have my heat like on a medium low. I'm going to add in some granulated white sugar and a little bit of brown sugar. I love putting brown sugar in my vanilla ice cream. It really just bumps up that flavor. It's luscious. I love it. All right, we're going to heat this up just until it becomes a little bit frothy. I love that word, frothy, okay? You don't want to boil it, just, let it get really hot and frothy. And then we're going to add it into a bowl, just like that. I'm going to let it cool off just a little bit, and then I'm going to add in my vanilla. I'm using some pure vanilla extract. Use a really good kind here. Don't get the cheap kind on this one, okay? Don't do it. I'm going to add my vanilla extract in there, and then I'm also going to use a little bit of vanilla bean powder. You can use fresh vanilla beans, vanilla bean paste. Just get that vanilla bean in there for a much stronger vanilla flavor. Stir it up just like that. And then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Don't forget that salt, you guys, because it just wakens up that vanilla and makes it say, hello lover, all right? Add it, don't skip it. Go ahead and give it a taste. Make sure you like it. And then we're gonna add our plastic wrap. The first layer of plastic wrap, you want it to touch the surface of our liquid here, okay? This prevents it from getting that little, what's it called, little skin that can sometimes form on top. Yeah, so let the plastic wrap touch the surface, and then we're going to add another piece of plastic wrap just to kind of, keep that fridge taste off my ice cream. We're going to chill it in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight, and then when it comes out, go ahead and remove that plastic. Now I'm going to pour this into a measuring cup just to make pouring it into my ice cream maker a little bit easier. Go ahead and dump that right on in your ice cream maker. I love this little Cuisinart ice cream maker. So easy to use. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let this thing turn and turn and turn just until the ice cream is nice and thick like this. Now you can keep on letting it turn a little bit more and it will get thicker, but I'm going to go ahead and stop it and move on to just pouring it into my ice cream container. And for my ice cream container, you can use one like this. I like this one, but I really just prefer to use a bread pan. It makes the ice cream freeze up really, really firm, and I like it, so I'm going to use that. Dump this right into your little ice cream container. Very, very easy. Now I'm going to cover this up with some plastic wrap. Who's this text to me? All right, so now I'm going to place this into my freezer and freeze it until it is solid. Usually overnight is what it needs, all right? And then when it comes out of the freezer, go ahead and remove that wrapping and then just dig in. And you have homemade vanilla ice cream that is smooth and full of vanilla flavor, just like my baby father, all right? It's so good, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.